Today is Sean's first birthday since recovering from being deaf and mute. I will give him a special gift. Me and everything under my name at Stoneco. Kilan Arden. You are...
Don't bother. I know you can speak. Luna, the stone heiress. After your parents' death, you clung to Sean and pretended to be deaf and mute for 5 years with him. Helped him rise as a new elite in the capital. Was it worth it?
What's it to you?
Your parents didn't just leave you inheritance, but also an engagement with me. Miss Stone, I'm better than him.
Good thing I was quick. After proposing to Sean, he probably won't bother me again.
My girlfriend, what did I just teach you? Say hi.
Hi, Luna.
I want to tell you something important.
Hold on, I must entertain them.
Okay.
Sit.
The boy I love has finally been reborn. After entrusting this gift to him, we will certainly have a better future.
Hey, Sean. You're now a rising star in the capital. Are you really going to marry that deaf bitch?
As if...
Are you sure? Aren't you worried that she'll make a scene?
She can't hear or speak. And I won't let her know.
But didn't you say she's really good?
These past 5 years, she's the one who got me through my worst.
But
she was born deaf-mute unlike me. There's no recovery for her. She's seen me at my worst, looking or talking to her always. Reminds me of the past. Of when we first met. It's... disgusts me.
Sean and I first met on the rooftop. My parents passed away that year. Overwhelmed with grief, I developed aphasia. I went to get some fresh air only to see him trying to jump.
You shouldn't have saved me. I'm useless. My only purpose now is death.
To keep him alive. I told him I was born deaf-mute. I thought a white lie might still bloom. Just like that, we came to know each other and fell in love. The day he confessed, he smiled sincerely,
like you,
using clumsy sign language.
Be on the same rooftop. Girlfriend.
Okay.
I, Sean Porter, will never fail Luna. Sean will give Luna the happiest future. I'm taking over my family soon. The Porter heir. Won't marry a deaf mute.
How ridiculous. I thought we were walking toward the future together, but I'm not a part of his future.
I heard your fiancé is returning tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I'll personally pick her up to make up for the regret.
Make up for the regret? What about her?
Her? She can't leave me, other than me. No one would want her. I will take good care of her as repayment for the last 5 years. For a deaf mute like her, this is the best ending.
Hey, why is she leaving?
What's wrong? Remembering how we first met, it disgusts me. Sean will never fail Luna. Sean will give Luna the happiest future. The Porter heir won't marry a deaf mute. Everyone at the gathering is my friend. That was embarrassing. I'm not going home tonight. You calm down.
Hello?
Kilan, let's get married.
It's only been one night. Why do you look so haggard?
Let's talk business. Though my parents arranged this marriage, with your status and position, you can easily find someone better. Why me?
Once I decide, I don't change. Are you certain? Once you sign, you can never go back to Sean.
I heard your fiancé is returning tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'll personally pick her up to make up for the regrets.
I'm certain. Let's have the wedding 1 week later. I need to take this time to do some cleaning. Excuse me.
Why didn't you tell her your love?
Hey, Luna, did you see Sean's post? What's that about?
When he was a deaf mute, he endured countless cold looks and ridicule. Now that he's recovered, he wants to tell the world.
And you? You played a deaf mute for him, and now that he's recovered, he runs to his first love with roses. Luna, my heart aches for you.
It's okay. He and I are in the past now. We're in the past now.
That's for the best. There's a gala tonight. Come with me.
Sure.
Luna, I'll be late. Wait for me.
Okay.
Who's she? Who's that?
She, Mr. Porter's deaf-mute girlfriend? Mr. Porter, your girlfriend's here. Shouldn't we learn how to say hi in sign language?
Sign language? Huh.
Didn't I tell you go cool off? What are you doing here? Can you not embarrass me?
Sean, is my appearance alone enough to embarrass you? Hi, Luna. I'm June, Sean's. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot you're mute and deaf. I should have learned sign language in advance.
That's on her, not you.
Sean, you promised to do the first dance with me. Don't forget it.
I still need to social. You don't like crowds. Go find somewhere quiet.
I want to talk. Just a moment, all right?
Sean!
We'll talk later.
You wouldn't even bother to brush me off with sign language, Sean. You don't like crowds. 'Cause the bigger the crowd, the more people to laugh at the deaf-mute you were. So you hate crowds. Hate being ridiculed. Hate embarrassment. And hate the current me.
They are a perfect match.
Too bad a rotten apple can't see it. The Riveras may not be prominent. They're still elites. Not a certain someone can compare to.
Ms. Stone, PNS Studio is requesting a fund of $200 million. It's getting preposterous. Will you still follow through?
What are you looking at? I heard you stayed by Sean's side for 5 years, helped him rise as a new elite in the capital, and now he's recovered. Back when he was mute and deaf, abandoned by his family, even I dumped him and flew abroad thinking he was beyond saving. You're really something. I have to say, you're really lucky, but also just as unlucky. Because I'm back. Too bad. You're deaf and mute. Can't hear, can't speak. Even if you're slandered, all you can do is watch. So, open your eyes and see how he saves me. Sorry, sweetheart.
Oh no! Ms. Rivera fell into the pool! Help!
Help! June!
Luna! Luna, are you okay? Miss Stone.
I don't know how I offended you. Why did you push me into the pool?
That Luna is so vicious.
Well, she's a deaf-mute orphan. Scared Mr. Porter will moved on and jealous of Ms. Rivera.
And Mr. Porter isn't embarrassed. Who would have a girlfriend like her?
He was a deaf-mute himself for years. How could he be embarrassed? Apologize. Go apologize to June.
Apologize? Sean Porter, are you hearing yourself? Luna is the victim here. Can't you see that?
She pushed June into the pool. She shouldn't have come. In the first place, it's one thing for her to cling on, but June didn't provoke her. She's born a deaf-mute. But that's not an excuse. Do something wrong. Apologize for it.
Born a deaf-mute? The audacity for you to say such things.
She can't hear.
'Cause of her word alone, you're certain I pushed her? Sean, we've been together for 5 years. Do you not know me?
Everyone saw it! Stop making excuses. Aren't you already embarrassing enough?
I'm embarrassing? Sean, back when they mocked you for your disability, splashed liquor on you, forced you to apologize, I stood in front of you. Now you think I'm an embarrassment?
Sean, I get where Ms. Stone. She's just too scared to break up with you. It's all on me. I don't need her apology.
She's the only one at fault.
So you're saying it's all on me?
You are never wrong to me.
Sean, when your neurological illness made you a deaf-mute, June broke up with you without hesitation. Luna got you through the last 5 years. Don't you feel guilty for what you're doing now?
Was I never there? For her during that time? Did I contribute any lesser in the last 5 years? If she's wrong, she must apologize. What wrong did I commit? Just because she's a deaf-mute, I should tolerate her endlessly? Mandy Hollis, I'm warning you. I only put up with you repeatedly because you're Luna's friend. But don't forget.
My family isn't one you can offend.
Has Luna gone mad? How dare she slap her meal ticket?
She's gone mad. I bet she'll beg Mr. Porter for forgiveness when he dumps her.
Sean, let's break up.